Good morning, my great friends. So I have wonderful news for many of you. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and her colleagues just passed a brand new sweeping bill that will provide millions of Americans with much more financial relief. $1,400 stimulus checks will begin going out this month to eligible low and middle income households. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn about all of the details in regards to the fourth stimulus package. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, if you're interested in entering this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please listen for the keyword.
So last night, the House of Representatives passed the strongest, boldest, and most significant government funding package we've seen in a very long time, bringing us one step closer to fully funding the government for the 2022 fiscal year. Now, as we all know, funding the government's a basic responsibility of Congress, but rarely does this responsibility arrive at such a critical moment for our country and for the world. War has erupted in Europe, and Americans are looking to relief from rising costs, and this package is critical for facing these challenges. After weeks of hard work, I'm pleased to report that this bipartisan funding package represents a robust and unapologetic investment in the American people. It will give our troops a raise, provide more money for schools and Head Start programs and Pell Grants, reauthorize the Violence Against Women Act, fund the President's Cancer Moonshot, and open the floodgates for funding the bipartisan infrastructure law. This funding bill is overflowing with very good things for our troops, for American jobs, for our families, and for America. Once this bill arrives at the Senate, Republicans must work with Democrats to pass the bill as soon as possible, hopefully tonight. There is every reason in the world to believe that we can arrive at a path forward quickly. For one, the people of Ukraine need our immediate help, and this omnibus is the quickest and most direct way of getting them the help fast. At nearly...
All right, my friends, so the House of Representatives voted late last night to pass a massive government funding bill that includes billions of dollars that is desperately needed to help the American people during this crisis. But friends, the race is not over for our lawmakers. The Senate is still racing the clock ahead of a Friday deadline when the government funding is set to expire. Many of our lawmakers have said that they do expect to get the bill passed before the deadline. As part of the effort to prevent a shutdown, the House passed by voice vote last night a stopgap bill to extend government funding through Tuesday of next week. The Senate is now expected to take up and pass a short-term funding extension, in addition to the broader spending bill, so that congressional clerks have time to finish processing the text of the larger bill before sending it to President Biden's desk for his signature. The sweeping government spending bill is a product of months of negotiations, but the tight time frame had already frustrated some lawmakers, with some threatening to derail the effort to prevent a government shutdown. Right now, friends, I know that many of you are wondering about what changes were made to the bill before it is signed into law. Well, Democratic leaders at first attempted to offset the cost of crisis relief in the package, following widespread opposition from Republicans, who had argued that there should be a full accounting of already allocated stimulus money before extending further relief. But a number of House Democrats revolted over a plan to use funds from the American Rescue Plan as an offset in the new legislation. The provision would have impacted 30 U.S. states, and Democrats representing affected parts of the country argued it would hurt their states by taking away money that they had been previously promised. According to many sources familiar with the matter, Nancy Pelosi was angry at Democratic members who had revolted over the crisis relief offset. Many members felt shocked by the deal that they had been cut, and Pelosi was upset that they were forced to strip out new crisis relief money. The great news, friends, is that the House Democrats later introduced a brand new $15.6 billion is a standalone crisis relief bill. This means that a fourth stimulus package will move forward in Congress. There is another relief bill that was proposed recently. The Washington Post reported that lawmakers from both parties are in talks about proposing to pump billions of dollars into businesses, including hard-hit ones like restaurants. According to the Washington Post, Senators Ben Cardin, who is a Democrat from Maryland, and Roger Wicker, a Mississippi Republican, are the two lawmakers that are leading these talks. The two senators have already put together a $68 billion proposal back in December of 2021. Senator Cardin stated, "We started with restaurants, but we are prepared to expand it if we can have the necessary support. There is also other industries that have legitimate concerns." Cardin said that lawmakers are looking at how much is needed for the restaurant fund. In May of 2021, the White House opened the Restaurant Revitalization Fund for applications, with nearly $29 billion from the American Rescue Plan up for grabs. They received 186,000 applications in the first 2 days alone. Another White House official told Insider that the Biden administration is continuing to closely track the crisis. Any legislation would need at least 10 GOP senators to back the bill, so it clears the Senate and reaches Biden's desk. It may be a struggle for Democrats to get the support from Senate Republicans who are weary of additional government spending. However, the Biden administration also has the option to use executive action. Friends, the keyword for this video is OWL. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. So friends, do you think that President Biden should pass an executive order and send out stimulus checks to all Americans? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my great friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here daily. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching all of my videos. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.